Alright, here's the thing. I've been daily driving this LG UltraGear 32GP750-B for a year now. Though all the chaos of RGB setups, GPU upgrades and the cable management disasters, one thing that hasn't let me down is this beast of a monitor. But the question is, should you buy this in 2025 or are there better options in this price range? Let's talk specs, real world use, and yeah, I'll even throw a worthy alternative. Because here in TechWired, we are all about helping you spend your hard-earned cash the right way. So picture this, it's early 2024, I just rage quite another match in Warzone. My old 60Hz monitor was ghosting worse than my Tinder matches. I needed a savior, something sharp, fast and ultra. The first glance, this thing looks sleek, matte black finish, minimalistic bezels and the signature UltraGear red accent in the back. Not too flashy, but still screams gamer without punching in your face. It's adjustable, sturdy and has clean aesthetic that fits into any setup, even if your desk is a glorified IKEA plank like mine. Now, if you want to go nerdy with these specs, it's a 32-inch of pure IPS glory, 2560x1440 and 165Hz refresh rate. It has a 1 millisecond response time, a G-Sync compatible plus FreeSync premium and sRGB 99% of color accuracy, and yeah, it's got HDR10, but let's be honest, don't expect OLED-like contrast. It's decent, it's not jaw-dropping. But for gaming, for content creation, or even occasional video editing, this monitor delivers. I've gamed on it, edited on it, watched enough Netflix to feel slightly ashamed, and let me tell you, it holds up. The colors are vibrant and the viewing angles are solid, and that 165Hz refresh rate makes every flick shot feels like a montage waiting to happen. Whether you are deep into Apex, sweating through Elden Ring bosses, or just trying to scroll Twitter at 165Hz to feel something, this monitor nails it. There's no major backlit bleed, no dead pixels, and no regrets. But it's not perfect, let's keep it real. The HDR10 implement it's there, but not impressive. Peak brightness around 350 nits, not ideal if your room feels like a sunroom. And the stand, while solid, does take up quite a bit of desk space. Also, no USB-C, no built-in speakers, not that you want them, and no cable management wizardry in the back. So what if you're looking at this and thinking, yeah, this is LG and it is great, but what else is out there for the same money? Well, let me introduce you to the Gigabyte M32Q. Similar price point, same 32-inch 1440p 165Hz vibe, plus you get USB-C KVM switch and slightly better HDR performance. Honestly, LG feels more premium and gamer focused, while Gigabyte gives you more utility. If you're a straight up gamer, LG win. If you're juggling gaming, work and switching between devices, Gigabyte is the guy. So, is the LG UltraGear 32GP750-B still worth in 2025? If you're looking for a fast, color-accurate, reliable 1440p gaming monitor without breaking into OLED pricing, this is still a solid buy, especially now that the price have dropped. It's not revolutionary, but it does the job and does it well. And after a full year of daily use, I can confidently say this monitor earns its UltraGear badge. If you've got a question, drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe, as this is gonna help me a lot. Stay tuned for more honest tech reviews from TechWired, where we test and tweak the real world products. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.